Hi guys, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day for 9 days 9 looks. Today I am wearing like a very simple outfit. It's like a kurti, wearing simple earrings, and I'm gonna wear a watch and this. And so let's just start the makeup quickly. So I have already filmed my brows and I'm actually trying a new product, so I will not reveal it, but then I will be coming up with a video soon, so stay tuned for that. And I also went ahead and primed my face with Evio Beauty moisturizing primer, and for foundation I have MAC Studio water weight foundation, and I have it actually in this little jar. I was traveling, so I don't know where the original bottle is, but we can work with this. So I'm gonna apply it all over my face, and this has like a runny consistency. For my concealer, I'm gonna use my Fit Me concealer, and this is like my favorite product. Okay, so now I have very interesting product. This is the liquid blush, and this is from Evio Beauty. This is in the shade B1, and why I'm applying this without applying powder is because of the cream blush. It's like a cream blush, and I want to like sink it into my skin before I set my skin, otherwise it will be too tacky. So it has like this sort of applicator, and we'll apply it quickly. And I'll just mix it with my fingers. And now I'm gonna set my face using Urban Color compact powder. This is in the shade Natural Finish. And as you can see, like I have used it like a crazy person. And I'm just gonna swirl my big fluffy brush and just set my whole face. And now for my contour and highlight, I have this Inika baked contour duo, and this is how it looks like. It's so beautiful, and like it's such a big tub, and it's an organic Australian brand. I have like quite a few products, so maybe there will be like a separate video, but this is just for today. So I'm gonna take my angled brush and I'm just gonna take the contour shade and dust off the excess. I know how pigmented it is, and for my highlight, I'm gonna use the same palette, and I'm gonna use this highlighting shade, and look at the pigmentation. It's so nice and it blends so well. I love how it sits on my skin nicely. And for my eyeshadow, I have all my brushes here, and I'm gonna use my Holy Grail Live to Inspire eyeshadow palette. And I have something really interesting today, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna grab my mirror, and I'm like gonna do like a red and turquoise eyes, like red and green, because I have a lot of green work going on. So let's just quickly start, and I will be taking this shade and do my crease first. You see how pigmented it is? It's looking beautiful and like it's so easy. Now I'm gonna mix these two shades and just do my outer V. I think I'm gonna do my lower lash line with this dark shade, and I will pick that up with this brush. Will blend more, so don't worry about that. And now I'm going to take this beautiful color and just apply it all over my lid with the help of flat brush. It's a bit dirty, but you gotta do what you gotta do. It picks the colors so nicely. I love this brush. Okay, now I will be doing my inner corners, and for inner corners I'm gonna use this golden shade. I think I'll use my fingers. Now I'm gonna take a clean brush and just blend all the harsh edges. Now comes the interesting part. So I have this eyeliner. This is in the shade Gypsy Blue, and it's like a blue, green, turquoise sort of a color. I thought it will match my outfit, but like outfit has like a different sort of color. So now I am in doubt, but it's okay. It will look fine, and green and red are like ideal for Navratri, I feel. So let's just apply. I will do like my lower lash line very thick, so it will like remove the red shadow, but it's okay. I will take a pencil brush and just smoke this out. I love how it's looking on my eyes right now. And for eyeliner, I have Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner. It's been a while since I have used this. This is how it looks. Now I'm taking like very thin eyeliner brush and will apply that very precisely on my eyes. I feel like it's all dried out and it's not applying properly, but anyways, I just wanted something little to fill the gaps. Now it's all good. Since the eye makeup is too heavy, I wanted to do something nude with the lipstick. And for lipstick, I have this pink Coco, my favorite lipstick from Urban Color, and probably this is the first lipstick that I have ever finished. This is my second tube. I think it looks amazing. Now comes the time for eyelashes, bindi and hairdo. I will do that quickly and be back in a while. So I went ahead and applied bindi, eyelashes, and I did my hair. I know my hair are not looking fine, but I haven't washed them since 2 days. So that's why they are like a bit not in a good condition, but it's fine. We can always adjust it. So my eyelashes are from Brazilian Queen, and these are like a different sort of lashes. It comes with its own magnetic eyeliner, so you have to apply eyeliner, wait for it, and then apply eyeliner on lashes and then stick it. I am gonna upload a different IGTV video, so wait for it. And this is in the variant Miss Queen of Hearts. So yeah, I think they are looking nice with the look, and everything is complementing each other. So I love how it turned out. Let me know how you guys find this look, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. More such amazing content on its way, and happy Navratri.